Meet Aaliyah, VP of Digital Experience at Badger Parts, which sells construction equipment to distributors. In order to better engage with their customers, Badger will need to reimagine digital with help from Salesforce Customer 360 and the Winter 22 release. First, Aaliyah leans on Experience Cloud to help deliver a customer-first digital experience. New in Winter 22, microsites will enable Badger to utilize out-of-the-box templates to quickly build fast-loading landing pages and event sites. They can even add a sign-up for news form that submits data to Salesforce Leads and Marketing Cloud to aid future campaigns. Now that the new sites are built, it's time to show them off. Aaliyah's marketing team creates a personalized email campaign with Email Studio, directing recipients to these pages. Even better, the team can utilize Datarama reports for Marketing Cloud Advanced to analyze the results. This new feature provides Aaliyah with marketer-friendly dashboards and reports, which she uses every day to check on campaign deliverability, engagement, and performance. Great news! She sees that the open rate per day is exceeding expectations. Due to the successful email campaign, the online orders start rolling in. Available in Winter 22, Salesforce Order Management for B2B can help Badger modernize the post-purchase experience to improve customer satisfaction. For example, say a distributor made an accidental online purchase. Because Badger's account manager has a holistic view of the customer's orders, she can help with the refund and update the status of the order all within Sales Cloud. Even better, she can provide real-time order updates and track these orders even before fulfillment. Now Badger can deliver seamless digital experiences from anywhere, thanks to the power of Salesforce Customer 360 and the Winter 22 release.